I just got a package in the mail and it was just delivered. I just got a notification. It's my 07 to 2016 OEM Thermostat Housing with gasket, thermostats, and hoses for the Patriot, compass, and the Caliber. It's $205 shipped on eBay, and everything you guys see here is all OEM. All OEM. So $205, and I'm also waiting on my other package, Daryl Cox package. You guys can see this is for the Caliber, so let's get into it. But I'm not gonna let you guys know because I want you guys to subscribe to my channel. So if you guys have not subscribed and you're new to my channel, subscribe now. I got another package coming for the Caliber. If you follow me on other social media sites, you guys will or have seen basically what I ordered. So if you guys haven't found me on Instagram yet, go check me out on Instagram. And if you guys have never seen that picture, go ahead and like that picture. That way I know you've seen this video. So let's go get it. It's out in the hall. Let's go get the package so we can stop talking, right? Alright. Let's just take both of them. Oh yeah. So I got one, I'm assuming, is this. Yep, I guess that's mine. And then I got another one, but that's another thing. So let's get into this. Alright, let's just open it up and see what I have. So it's one Mopar box. I love opening Mopar boxes. So the product number on here is, I think, 68003582AB. But I'll leave everything in the description below, you guys, so you guys can go ahead and quick link straight to everything here. And I'll give you guys product numbers from Mopar, so you guys can go ahead and easily find what you are searching for or need. And that's just by itself. There's nothing in there. So there's nothing in that. Anyways, here's my two new hoses. 05058822AD. And they come with the clamps, which is pretty cool. All you gotta do is pull and they will snap. And then here's the thermostat manifold. That's what goes onto the motor. So basically, if I was driving the car and you looked at it from the front of the car, it would be placed like this. The hose that goes to the radiator would be right here. And I'm assuming this gasket goes in this baggie, which ends up going right there. Then I got a thermostat and another thermostat. And pretty much I think that's it, you guys. So this one is 55111017AD, which is one of the thermostats. And then this one is 55111016AE. That's another thermostat, which is the bigger one. That is my unboxing for my thermostat manifold package, I guess you could say, from Mopar. Well, straight from Mopar factories off of eBay. So if you guys want one of these, go ahead and click the link below and it'll direct you straight to the same kit. So smash the like button. If you haven't yet followed or subscribed to my channel, do so. And until then, guys, be easy, stay tuned.